Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Basic, and today we are going to discuss about how to calculate pH. To calculating pH, few formula is there. pH is equal to negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration or negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration, or POH is equal to negative logarithm of hydroxide ion concentration, and pH plus POH is equal to 14. Always pH plus POH is equal to 14. And if we see the dissociation constant, acid or base dissociate into AB, dissociate into A plus B minus, then its dissociation constant will be dissociate A plus concentration into B minus concentration by acid or base. And for strong acid, always concentration of acid is equal to concentration of hydrogen ion concentration or hydronium ion concentration, and for strong base, concentration of base is equal to hydroxide ion concentration. So now we are going to find out the pH of the pure water. As we know, pH of the pure water is 7. So now we are calculating and verifying the pH of the pure water. Water dissociate into H plus and OH minus. And we know the concentration of hydrogen ion concentration in pure water is 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter. So therefore hydrogen ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 7. So therefore pH is equal to negative log of 10 to the power minus 7. Minus 7 become here minus 10 log minus 7 into minus 1, 7. Therefore pH is equal to 7. And now pH is equal, POH is equal to 14 minus pH. 14 minus pH is 7. So 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. So in this case, in pure water, pH is equal to POH is equal to 7. Now we take an example and calculate the pH of 0.01 m HCl solution. In this condition, concentration is 0.01 m. It is given in the problem. As the hydrochloric acid or HCl is a strong acid, so it is completely dissociated into water. HCl dissolved in the water, it produces HCl plus water is equal to hydronium ion concentration and chloride ion. As HCl is a strong acid, therefore HCl ion is equal to hydronium ion concentration is equal, which is 0.01 m. Therefore hydronium ion concentration is equal to 0.1 m. We can write as 10 to the power minus 2 m. So therefore pH is equal to minus log of hydronium ion concentration minus, therefore minus log into 10 to the power minus 2. Minus 2 become here. Then after minus log 10, in log 10 we know it is 1. It is minus 1. Therefore pH is equal to 2. pH 2 means HCl is a strong acid. Therefore from here we can find out the POH. POH is equal to 14 minus pH. Therefore 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. Thank you.